Guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. Record an empty background for a few seconds, then you walk in. To shall be doing here is just to hit your leg on the ground, all right? Then when you hit your leg now, you can now wait for some few seconds, then you fold your hands, stand like that for a few seconds, then you bring your head up gradually, then after which you can now make a jump, all right? Then you can now walk out, okay? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Guys, welcome to your gallery as we create this amazing video together. Click on CapCut, new project now, guys. Import your video to workspace, all right? Import your video. Look at that volume sign there. You are going to be clicking it as we normally do to silence the volume. Now we'll be needing a background, empty background for this video. Click this place and go and look for freeze, all right? Locate freeze, click on freeze now, click on this last part, click on delete, click this one and swap it to the other side. After that, now we are going to be locating where we want this video to start from. Before you hit your leg on the ground, we are going to be making a split. Come back here, click here now and make a split, all right? Delete this first part, then you click on the video now and expand it a bit. After that, we locate where we want the video to end. Immediately you make a jump, you are going to click here and make a split, all right? Make a split, delete the last part, all right? Then you come back now. You are going to be marking anywhere to click on overlay. Mark anywhere, click on overlay now, add overlay, import this green screen effect. Then you go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, chroma key, drag it to green, mark on this good, you go back. You are going to be clicking it again for the second time to locate adjust, okay? Click on adjust now, HSL, locate it, click on it, guys. Mark on green and reduce saturation to 100%. You mark on this good, then you go back. Now you are going to be clicking on it to click splice, all right? We want to reduce the texture, so reduce the texture to at least 60. You mark on this good and go back, drag it down to cover your leg, then you do your necessary adjustment. Let it be immediately you hit your leg, that is when you are going to reveal it. So drag it back a little bit more so that immediately you hit your leg, then you bring it to the line, so drag it front. Immediately you hit your leg is when it's going to reveal. After that, you do your necessary adjustment, then this is how it's going to play. Good. Click anywhere now. We are going to be clicking on add overlay for the second time. Add overlay now, import this other effect. Click on splice now, guys. Click on splice, then you click on filter, all right? Then you mark on this good and go back, then you bring it down and position it the way you want it to be. Do your necessary adjustments. So this is how it's going to play. Then after this point, we are going to be clicking on add overlay again, all right? So click anywhere now, you click on add overlay, click on add overlay. We want to import this other video here, all right? As we import it now, we are going to go and look for transform. Locate transform, we want to resize it, all right? So reveal it, look for transform, guys. Locate transform. So as you locate transform, click on transform, resize now, then you resize it, all right? Resize it. After resizing it, you are going to be marking on that good to go back, all right? Mark on this good now, you click it now and click on splice. Click on splice, okay? Click on filter, then you mark this good and go back. Then you are going to be doing your necessary adjustment, bring it to align with this. Then you come now and use your hand to expand it to cover the character. After doing that, we are going to be playing it to see what we have got, all right? Play it now. Let's see what we have got so far, okay? Look at it there. You are going to be clicking on the green screen, the second layer. Let us make a duplicate. All right. So after which, now come and click on this second layer here, this green screen, and locate duplicate. Let us duplicate it. Duplicate it now. After duplicating it now, all right, this is how it's going to play. Okay. We are going to be duplicating this light as well, so click on this light and look for duplicate. All right. Click on duplicate now. Click on the background. After you have worked on the light, then you make it align. You click on the background and drag it. All right. After dragging it, you come back. We are going to be working on this character now. So immediately this character jump up, locate where he jump up. We are going to be making a screenshot this place now. Then you cropple your screenshot, cropple it. Just take time and cropple it. After croppling it, you are going to be clicking on done. Just resize it, cropple it. After doing that, click on this done here. Click on done, then save to photos. Then you click on add overlay. Click on photos. You import this photo you just saved now. Go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, auto removal. Now he has removed completely. Mark on this good, you go back. You can now cropple it to make it align with this one. Mash it. After mashing it, you click on the layer, this image layer, and drag it. Make it align with this light. Then you are going to be coming back now. We are going to be clicking on add overlay. Then click on video, import your last video, this magic effect light, import it. Then as you import it now, you click on splice. All right, click on filter again, mark on this good, then you go back, review the light now, reveal it, then you can position it up here. All right, then you come to this image layer, the third layer, click it and add keyframe. Then you adjust it a little bit, cropple this character and place him inside that light. Put him inside the light. Cropple him completely, put him inside the light. All right. Just put him inside the light. Let's play it and see how it's going to play now. Good. Then you allow it. So you allow it to play. When it gets to the end, that play this place, we are going to be adding key almost to the end here. Click it here. Then you add keyframe, guys. Add keyframe, go to the end, then you make the video to fit the screen. Just expound it. So at this point, click on the empty background and trim it to be equal with this light, this effect. So at this point, we are going to be playing this video from the beginning to see what we have got. As far as I'm concerned, this video is ready. Remember to add your light effect, your sound effect, and every other effect you need to add. After that, what is remaining or the next thing is to export this video to a gallery. If you don't know how to add your sound and every other thing, DM me. I am going to put you through, as my number is at the description of this video. Then after that, now the next thing we are going to be doing now is to export this video to our gallery. So now you click on export here, then you allow the video to export completely. Now this video have installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. All right, but guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any magic effects or CapCut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. If you love this video and you love what we are doing, smash your like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.